we as teachers have to have our students become more producers as opposed to consumers. And consumers are those that purchase the product, while producers are producing the products. And these are some of the things that I, in my digital and web design class, are really trying to promote for my students. How can we go out and sell this product for a profit? How can we sell this video for a PSA? How can we make a website for a company and for profit? So these are some of the things not only that I want to do in my class, but I also want to create videos and websites and opportunities for other teachers that teach all different content areas. So those are my goals, and I hope to accomplish these, and thank you for the opportunity.
Hey, welcome to the class. Come on in. Here we do everything that involves digital design. So to start out, go ahead and wave because you're on camera. This is our guy that does our video recording, and we need that for advertising our class and other classes out to our students. But when it comes down to video, there's nothing like a good music or audio to be able to make the video really pop out. David, give me a beat.
Gotcha.
So another really important thing about videos in this class is podcasting. This is where we take somebody's voice and puts it over a certain kind of footage.
Here we use podcasting using Audacity in order to create voiceovers and other effects in our videos.
Another important thing is web design. In web design, this is where we take everything that we've made and we put it online for everyone to see. So this is good for communication and for just really getting our word out there. But when it really comes down to making videos, graphic design is essential for making our videos look different than others. So we have our two graphic designers that always make their work stand out from other people's. But another important thing about videos is acting. Actors are very, very important because this is how we're able to portray what we want in a message in our video.
I'm here with Jalen Johnson, YouTube sensation, here to tell us about games.
And then what we do with this is we'll sit down at the editor and we can remove the green screen to have a clear picture at the end. This is our teacher, Mr. Hall. You can go ahead and introduce yourself to him.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome to this class. One of the things I like to do for my students is scholarships. And this is a program that I introduced to my students called Scholly, where you can put in your information, your gender, your male, and your race and all of that, and then you can click on your major that you may want to focus on, and then when you click find matches, you'll actually be able to see all of the scholarships that you can get. In 14 days, you can get this $10,000 scholarship as you can see, for this scholarship. So these are some of the things that we do, that I try to do for my students, is to make sure that this is not just a class, but this is part of your life and your career and helping you grow. So welcome to the class. I look forward to working with you.